Hey there DIYers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to put on some webbing on the back side of these kitchen chairs. So let's get right into it. Alright, so we picked up these chairs off of Marketplace. Nice little, I don't know, they've got some good life to them. Looks like somebody put some inexpensive replacement material on the, for the seats. We cleaned them up and we're just going to use that for now, but we're probably going to replace those coming up. But the underside, the webbing was like in really poor shape. So my wife had ripped those off, so we're going to put some fresh material on there. And she was going to buy some material for it, but I was thinking of some various things to use instead. And one thing I was like, oh, we can just get some cheap tarps from the supply store and use that. But we've got this weed barrier fabric and figured that will work just as well. So I'm just going to cut off some weed fabric material, put on here, and we'll use that. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. Alright, so I don't know if this is doubled up or not. Should be fine. I'm just going to pull this across here and have it just a little bit more. I'm just going to cut it a little big, and then we can just fold it under to fit where we need it to go. So let's Alright, so now we got this piece here like so. Now we just need to fit it on there. I've done webbing before, so what I'm going to do is here, we'll just fold this under, get this on here like so, and then we'll just get some staples on here. Okay, so now I got that one. Go ahead and pull this taut over here to this edge and get another one in there right here on the edge. Okay, so the same thing over here. Yep, and then just put them in the middle of each. I think that may be good. Yep. So now we'll do the back side. Guess we could put this here so you can see it pretty good. Yep. So I'm just rolling that under. And I'll just pull it taut here in the middle. Like so. And do the same thing for this side. Get it nice and taut. Okay, so it looks pretty good. Okay, so we got the front and the back, so now we just need to do the sides. And let's see. Pull those in the corners and then just fold this under. like so, and I can just roll it. Pretty much just having a just overlap right where the staple line is from their other one they did. So get that on there. Okay. I'll put a staple in right there. Oops. Okay. This corner, just pull it taut. Okay. Same thing for this side. Just pull that nice and taut. Staple in there, and then I'll get a couple more in here. Alright. And this side, do the same thing. Make sure you can see that good. Make sure I can come over here. Just work that in like that. Same with that side. And just roll this under. Pull that taut. Okay. More staples in. Let's see. Okay. And so there we have it. I might need to put a few more staples in, but I think this is actually probably sufficient. So that is there. So now we can pull the chair back out, and voila. Here we have our chair. You can sit in it. It's nice and comfortable. It's got the bottom on there. So we are good. So I've actually got a total of 6 chairs to do. So got, well, now 5 to do. So I'm sure I'll get more proficient and a little more accurate and better as I go along. But again, this weed barrier fabric seemed to work pretty good. And it's serving its purpose. I got a ton of it here, so I only need probably just one little length of it to get them all done. But again, there we go. So if you like this content, this video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos, and until next time.